Oi, my aching head. I'm such a sick dog in this hospital. Oi.
Ah!
Who are you?
I'm a parrot. Who are you?
I don't like parrots. I'm a dog.
Well, I don't want like dogs either. Ah!
Oi, you're giving me another headache. Oh, I feel so much better, and it's such a nice day on this beach. I can't wait to spend some time hanging out on this beach. You? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to hang out on this beach.
Well, this is where I live.
Well, this beach ain't big enough for the two of us. One of you's gonna have to go, and it's gonna be yous.
Oh, it's gonna be you.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna beat you up.
Ah!
Here, take that.
Take this. We'll take.
Ow!
Ow! We'll take this. Ow! Ah!
You're really chapping my hide.
Hey! Well, look at this.
Ouch! All right, I'm leaving.
Ow!
Oh, that bird makes me so mad. There's got to be something in my garage that'll let me get back at that bird. I can't stand that bird. Let's see what I got here. Oh, some poison. Yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll poison that bird. Yeah, what else do I got? What's this? Oh, a turntable. Yeah, I'll play music so loud it'll burn his eardrums. Yeah. Oh yeah, a lion. That's great. He's gonna love that lion. What else do I got? Oh yeah, I got my dinosaur. That's gonna really chap him. Wait a minute. You know what I need? I need a bomb. That's what I gotta get. I gotta get myself a bomb.
Is work over yet? No! I expect you here. I expect you here too.
I see you, bird, but I got a surprise for you. Where do you see what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna blow you up.
I'm gonna throw this bomb. Whee! Oh no!
Oh no! What the heck happened?
What's happening? It's deflecting off me! Boing! Ha!
Oh, I can't. I'm in pain. I should have learned the lesson in the first place. Don't mess with the bird. Goodbye, world.
Oh, look, there's his grave. Oh, who is that?
I'm dead.
Okay. Well, I always hated that dog, so there's one thing I gotta do. There we go.
Oh no, insult injury.